Hi guys, this is just I have uploaded the next. I have uploaded the first part of this video earlier. Like I'm recording both the part on the same day. In the first part, I have answered like 80 questions, and now again I am here to answer another 80 questions, WH questions, and I am practicing. I have already told you that today I am practicing of WH question and how to answer in our own way. So whatever is the question, we need to answer in our own way. Whether it is like very hard, like very big. If I want to like exaggerate the answer, I can do that. But I want to keep the answer simpler. Like I don't want to sound like I don't want to answer in long sentences. I just want to keep the answer short. So that is why I'm so that I can complete and answer more and more questions. So 80 questions, 80 means 80 question I have already answered, and now I will start from answering the question number 81. So like this page of mine, the first page, are you able to see that? This one I have completed that. This question, all these questions I have already answered in the first part, and now I will answer all these questions. So I have like 500 question. I have taken the screenshot of 500 questions, and I am answering the next questions. And I'm answering the. I know you all are understanding what I'm trying to say. So let's get started with the other question. Where is the, oh my god, where is the another question? These are like different questions. Firstly I need to find. I got the question. It was like I have sent the question from my phone to my brother's phone. So the questions pattern are like the screenshots are not in the sequence. When I send my question to my brother's phone on my brother's phone, the questions or the page numbers are not in sequence. So I was finding that. Now it is done. So it took me like 2 to 3 minutes to find it. Now let's move on to the question number 81. Can you see this? Okay, let's get started. Where will you sorry where will we meet tomorrow? We will meet tomorrow at the park. Sorry, in the park. Why had you gone there? I gone there to meet my friends. I went there to meet my friends. Why had you gone there? I went there to meet my friends. Which newspaper do you read? I read Hindustan Times, India Times. I don't know the name of the paper. Sorry. I read Hindustan newspaper because I don't need. I don't know the name of the paper, but I know Times of India. I think the name of the paper, Times of India and Hindustan, Dainik Jagran. These are the newspaper. So I don't know. Sorry, just don't look at the. Just mosquitoes are all over here. I just want to kill them, but I can't. Right now I'm busy. So I read Dainik Jagran. So let's move on to the next question. When did you come to know this? I come to know this tomorrow. Tomorrow I come to know about this tomorrow. Okay. How did you guess about it? How did you guess about it? I guess about it by your face, by your gestures. Like I'm saying about something else. How did you guess about it? I guess about your gestures, your mood. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Where does this road go? This road goes to my home. Where are you looking? Why are you looking sad? I'm looking sad because my friend is in danger, is in the hospital. Sorry, I don't want to say about. All my friends are very well, they're well. I'm just saying, I don't think that some of you are like somewhere else. No, I'm just answering. Let it be. Can I change the question? Can I change the answer? Why are you so sad? I am sad because I am feeling like having pizza, but I'm not able to eat right now. So that is why I'm sad. Now, look, I have changed the answer. So if you want to change the answer, you can also change. How much time I am taking? Just try to answer all the questions like with me. That is why I'm reading the question. I know I'm little slower in reading, but manage, please. So, which language do you speak? Usually I speak Hindi, my native language, which is Hindi, but right now I'm learning English, so right now I'm speaking English. So, how many hours do they work? They work for 8 hours. On which platform will the train come for Mumbai? The train will come at the platform number 3 for Mumbai. Whom are you telling this? I am telling this to my friends. Which time will you be suited? I will be suited at 7 o'clock in the morning. Whose book do you use? I use my brother's book. How much money did you spend? I spent 10k. I spent 10k money. I spent 10k. Which boy come late? Rohan comes late. What price did he ask? He asked for 30 rupees. Whom did he help? He helped his parents. In which book did you read this? I read this book in Gita. In which book did you read this? I read this in Mahabharat book. I am sounding silly. I don't know. I'm just getting confused. I don't remember the name. I will just say the subject. I read this in my SSC book, Social Studies book. Where is the question? I'm just forgetting where is the question. Question number. Tell me the question number. So, where is the question number? Question number 99. Whose advice will you take? I will take my mother's advice. How many days will you stay there? How many days will you stay there? I will stay there for 5 days. How much time do you read every day? I read every day for an hour. Whom will he ask now? He will ask his friends. Friends, not friends. Which team do you play for now? I will play for India. In cricket, I'm talking about the cricket. I will always cheer for India or play for India if I will get time. If I will get that honor. I'm moving on to the next question. Whose help had you taken in this work? I have taken my brother's help in this work. How many times have you taken this? I have taken this 5 times. How many marks did you get in the exam? I get 75% in my exam. Which car cost less? Which car costs the less? The BMW costs the least. Costs the least. Which sorry. What is this tool for? This tool is for repairing machines. How many peoples are coming? There are 12 peoples are coming. There are 12 peoples are coming. There 12 peoples are coming. Whose dogs bark? My neighbor's dog bark. Which horse won the race? Horse number 8 won the race. How much money did you have? I have only 5,000 rupees. What what were they quarreling from? Quarreling about. Quarreling about means fighting. They were quarreling about the matter. They were quarreling about misunderstanding between them. How many peoples have came? 12 peoples have came. Which perfume do you apply? I apply which one? Look, in this type of question I guess get stuck because I don't remember I don't use like branded and everything. I'm not saying that. I use like what I use. Right now I don't remember the name. But the one perfume I like the most is Awesome. The one, it is cheap, but it is like the fragrance of the perfume is like commendable. It is very nice. It smells nice. How much money will you need? I will need like many lakhs. Don't laugh. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm sitting on the chair. It is making sound. Don't think another thing. Where is the question number 117? How much weight can this truck carry? This truck can carry 100 tons weight. How long will you wait? I will wait 2 hours. I will wait for 2 hours. I will wait 2 hours long. What happened to your t-shirt? What happened to your shirt? I was playing Holi. I was going on the road and some of the people throws color at me. So my shirt is become colored. What do you know? I know everything. Whatever you are doing and whatever you all are thinking, I know everything. Don't make fun of me. So 120 questions are over now. Means I have answered 20 questions in 13 minutes. Now move on to the another question, which is from 121 to 160. Let's get started. So, how much do you earn? I earn 12,000 rupees. How long will the meeting last? This meeting will last 2 hours long. What is your opinion? I'm very fond of him. I don't feel that. Sorry, I'm not fond of him. I feel that he is not wrong. Whatever you are saying, whatever you all are saying, my opinion doesn't match with you all. I think that you all think that he is wrong, but I think he is totally correct. He is correct. He is right. Hmm. What is your age and how old are you? I will not reveal my age, so I will tell. I am sweet 16. But I'm not 16 years old. I'm sweet 16. Let it be. You all, there is let me read the question number first. 124. So, between like our question session, I will ask you something. I will tell you something. By the way, this is my advice to all the boys out there. Never ever ask age of girls. They get offended. Like me, don't ask my age. I get offended. This is not a good idea. Sorry, this is not a good thing to ask age to a girl. I'm not saying that you can't, but there are so many girls who get offended by their age. Don't be logical in this. I know if you will say, if you all ask questions to the boys that how old are you, we need to answer. And now when we ask your age, then you get offended. How is that? Don't be logical. Don't be logical in front of girls. There's emotions fools. So just don't ask. This is my advice. So let it be. Take if you want to take my advice. If you don't want to take my advice, well and good. Let's back to the question number 125th. So how to tall are you? How to tall are you? How it means, I think it means to ask that how tall are you? I am 5 feet and 2 inches. This is how we reveal our tallness. I'm not that tall, but I'm good. My height is good. I love it. I'm happy with my height. I'm happy with everything. Let's move on to the next question. 126th. What is the height of this cupboard? The height of this cupboard is 8 feet long and 4 feet of width. How much interest are you paying for this loan? I am paying 10% interest for this loan. How many students do not come to the class regularly? There are 15 students who do not come to the class regularly. What work do you do? I I cook. I can simply say I cook. Okay. When does the class starts? The class starts from the starts class the class starts from 8 o'clock. 8 a.m. I can simply say 8 a.m. The class starts from 8 a.m. Which game are you playing? I am playing hockey. How can you hold this? How can you hold this for a second? I can hold this for a second by applying force on it. What is all this hurry for? All this hurry is because I'm getting late. When did you hear this? I heard this yesterday. I heard this yesterday. Where does this bus go? This bus will go to the Jharkhand. This will go to Jharkhand. Why are you shouting? I am shouting because I feel like shouting. Hey, I'm shouting because I feel like shouting. Nobody can stop me. I will shout whatever and however, how much pitch I want to shout. I will shout. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 137th. I'm reaching very fast. I'm answering all the questions. Are you all guys answering all my questions? Whichever is here. So, Whose help will you take in this work? I will take my brother's help in this work. What do you fear the most? I have a fear of ghosts. I'm very afraid of all the ghosts. I don't want to see them. Oh my toba toba, I don't want to. Jai Bhagwan ji, please save me. How fast was he driving? He was driving so fast, too fast. What kind of thing do you like in your father? I like so many things in my father. He is very kind, he is very honest, he is lovely father. Does your father belong from the village? Yes. My father belongs from village and he is the desi guy. He is very honest. I think village peoples are very innocent, and the people of cities are very clever. They're very clever. You all must agree with me that people from village, they are like innocent. They're too innocent. My father is also like that only. Let's move on to the another question. Where is that question? From where? From where is he? He is from Bihar. Do you ever go to the village? Yes, I do go to the village. Last month I told you that I have been to my village. So yes, I do go to my college, go to my village. Do you want to become like your mother? Yes, I do want to become like my mother. She is like, I have already told you all the stories of my mother, my everyone. I've already told you. If you find it on my channel, you must know why I want to be like my mother. She is very nice. She is very nice. Did you do or love marriage or an arranged marriage? What kind of question is this? What kind of question is it? Will you do? I don't want to answer this. I just don't want to answer. Let it be. Move on to the next one. Tell me, what kind of marriage do you like? The arranged one or the love one? Do let me know. If you don't want to answer, let it be. I also don't want to listen. No. I'm not saying that. If you want to say that with me, you can. You are free to answer. You are free to give your opinion on my channel. But don't be harsh on me. Don't judge my English. I get conscious when anybody just talk about rubbish about my English. I can't hold it. But this is I need to be. I just don't want to pause much. So let's move on to the another question. What is your father opinion about it? My father opinion, he is very honest, and what will you think? Oh, he is good. What is your father's opinion about it? I don't know his opinion, but he is nice. Whatever his opinion is his opinion. Mine is mine. His it's his. So what does your father understand to you, intelligent or foolish? How I can call my father foolish man? Is it a good thing? No. He is an intelligent person. You can't call him foolish. He is very clever. Not clever, but he is intelligent. Why does he think so? Why does he think so? He thinks this because he feels to think this. Are you foolish? No, I'm not foolish. Not at all. I'm not foolish. Do you want to do something special for your family? Who don't want to do special for their family? Yes, I do want to. Yes, I do want to do something special for my family. Is your father your supporter? Uh, yes, he is our supporter. Like all of us, he supports us. Does he give you money? Yes, he do give us money. Whatever we want, he just buy it for all of us. Buy it all for whatever we want, he buy it for all of us. So yes, he gives us money. Do you think, do you use that money in right way? For sure. According to him, that is not right, but according to us, we use all the money in right way because we all buy clothes for ourselves. From the, like today I have not bath yet, but after this I will take bath. So don't think that I'm in the same clothes. Like in 3 videos, 2 of them are of today's video. Like I'm trying to be honest. Yesterday I have recorded myself in the same cloth, which was like first day, 104th day, and today I am going to post 2 videos on this channel. 105th day part 1 and part 2, both are like I'm posting all that video on the same day. So it is about 26 minutes from when I'm speaking, continuously speaking. Does do you have your own house? Yes, I do have my own house. Not my own house, but my father's house. That is my own house. Yes, I do have my own house. Does your father go to duty on by foot or by vehicle? My father go to his duty by vehicles. What is your family background? My family background. What I will tell about my family background? There is no background. My background is very clear, very nice. I like it. I didn't understand what kind of background they are asking for. I don't know, so I'm not going to like whatever I feel like I will answer. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I've already answered this question. That I have 4 sisters, including me and a brother. What does your brother do? My brother is a student right now. My brother is student. What are their good names? My brother's name is Sumit Singh. Sumit Kumar. Are they intelligent than you or foolish? Why they keep on asking why they are intelligent than me or foolish? How can I? Foolish means bewakoof. It means like that. No, I can't say. He is intelligent. Good, very good. If he is gonna watch this video of mine, what he is going to tell me? You think I am foolish? So now today we will wrap up our question over here only, and we have attended 160 questions today. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye guys. Do you like it? Bye. I will meet you tomorrow from the question number 161 to tomorrow I will answer up to 240 questions. 240 questions. Yes. From a 161 question to 240 questions. So I will meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye guys.